Welcome back to the Dream Cars, the place where future rides become an obsession. In this video, we're diving into the Ford Escape 2026, a compact SUV that blends modern design, practical performance, and advanced tech. Whether you're a longtime Escape fan or exploring new SUV options, this one stands out. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Escape features a sharper, more confident look. The front end has been refreshed with a bolder grille and sleeker LED headlights. The overall shape is more refined, with a sculpted rear and clean lines that give it a more upscale presence. It holds onto its approachable character while embracing a more premium feel. Under the hood, the Escape continues to offer versatility. The base model is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine for efficiency, while a 2.0-liter turbocharged option delivers up to 250 horsepower for those who want extra punch. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants offer an alternative for those looking to reduce fuel stops. The hybrid system provides smooth transitions and excellent mileage, and the plug-in model offers nearly 40 miles of electric-only range, a great fit for daily driving with the flexibility of gas for longer journeys. Inside, the Escape makes a strong impression. A 13.2-inch touchscreen running Sync 5 anchors the dashboard. The interface is quick and responsive, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is bright and customizable, adding to the high-tech vibe. Across all trims, materials feel more refined, with better textures, improved lighting, and thoughtful details. The seating is comfortable and spacious. Rear legroom is generous, and cargo space is right on target for the class, over 65 cubic feet with the seats folded. It's built to handle a grocery run, a weekend getaway, or a family road trip without breaking a sweat. Safety features come standard through Ford Company Pilot 360. That means automatic emergency braking, blind spot alerts, lane keeping assist, and more. Upper trims unlock even more, like adaptive cruise control with stop and go, evasive steering assist, and Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free highway driving. It's safety and convenience rolled into one smart package. The overall experience is balanced and thoughtful. The Escape isn't chasing trends, it's refining what works. It offers efficient engines, smart tech, and a polished look without pushing drivers into anything too unfamiliar. For those not ready to jump to a fully electric SUV, the hybrid and plug-in options provide real-world value. The price. The Escape stays competitive. Base models hover just above $30,000, with mid-trim hybrids in the mid-30s, and high-end plug-ins approaching $40,000. For the features, build quality, and flexibility it offers, it's a strong value proposition. So, who's this for? Drivers who want comfort, technology, and smart fuel options without overcomplicating things. The Escape delivers functionality without sacrificing style. It's not about flash, it's about making the right kind of statement. Dependable, efficient, well-equipped, and ready for whatever's ahead. Thanks for watching the Dream Cars. If this SUV hits the right notes for you, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car features, reviews, and the machines that move us. Until next time, keep chasing the dream.